So for that thing to happen, we have to get the match started and eyeing upon. But before that, we have the next team entry.
To raid in from the left side of the court. And Amandeep Kajal. I tell you what, both corners have got perfect tens for the Warriors, KC. And the covers, their combination is deadly. Nitin Jangra and Amandeep Lakra both have got perfect tens now. That's the first time that any team has gone in and achieved that sort of a feat. And the cover combination, so good defense for the Warriors, KC. And there comes the birthday boy. Right, there we go. The Uttara Kannada lad. And Radhika, with your permission, probably say Huttu Habbada Hardika Shubhashayagalu in Kannada for him. Oh my God! Oh, has he got a birthday present? Has he crossed over? It looked like.
No.
1 point.
Oh.
No, he's tackled.
He's tackled.
He's been tackled. Yeah. It's
But look at his left hand,
It's been a
Radhika.
nice combination. No. It's a
Yeah.
perfect combined
Ui.
tackle. No, nothing. The follow through was good, Naveen.
I think it was
Do or die.
Ranjit Madan Mogan who was saying, no, they were the one who hit us first. But Shaktivel said, no, Abhi, you hit them first. That's why you got it back. As Rajpal Jaipal is coming to a do or die raid. So,
First to do or die, Naveen.
Yeah.
So will they be able to crack this defense? But the bonus opportunity is there. Corners are good at those ankle holds, and the corners takes it
Raider out.
double thigh hold from
1
Amandeep.
point. Warriors
Totally.
The
KC.
do or
Totally.
die. Nothing from nothing.
to the tackle points and the covers tackle points. So that's something where we haven't seen from all the sides. You know, and there you see, that's the combination I was talking
Nice.
about. Is that a super
No,
raid?
this is gone.
Looks
This
like
is
it.
gone in favor of Palnira. No, Naveen.
Yeah.
Raider
I
set.
think first
3
multi-pointer.
points. Palni Tuskers.
Ah, God.
Jersey number 30, 36 and 1
Totally super raid. I was just saying they're so well coordinated, but both the covers being taken off. I think the initiation came from the covers. Yeah, there.
Yeah, the covers and
Do or
So Radhika, you tell me, what is that coach's story? What does the coach actually do
the
when
coin
you win
thing.
the coin?
I think they'll distribute among the team. Naveen, nothing much to do with it. Maybe we
Uh-huh.
keep one. Otherwise, they'll just distribute in the team. So that
Oh,
they
well.
just carry back home and just show it to the families.
1
This is
point.
what it is.
Palni Tuskers.
That's
Jersey
nice.
number 9
That's
out.
really nice. Harish Kamachi again. He's got something in his feet from yesterday. That spring in his feet is
Center
back.
play, please.
Nice jump and escape. And the tallest lad.
He's like Gagan Gowda, 6'2",
Yeah.
6'3".
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Gagan was comfortably taller than me. But here, he needs to use that height to get the all-out being saved. And remember, his brother, one more Amit Rati was there. He is actually a kabaddi player, Sonu Rati's brother. And he plays for the Railways. But here, his train has been stopped in the tracks here. For
Bonus
Sumit
point.
Rati, he's just got the
Warriors
bonus
KC.
and the
Raider
all-out
out.
inflicted.
1 plus 2, 3 points.
Probably
Palni
this is the
Tuskers.
fastest
All
all-out
out.
for the Warriors KC. I guess our data team will come jumping in. But nevertheless, they checked it. That's more important.
Yeah.
Puneet comes in and Abhi Kumar. He's also got something really
Raider out.
nice going
1
in
point.
from yesterday.
Palni Tuskers.
Yeah, are they playing really well without a coach?
They
True.
need to win this so that they officially qualify here, so that they will play a little easy going forward. And also, once you qualify, there is always this juggle of which position are you standing.
Yeah. Oh, that was a wrong move. Yeah, you speak of juggling on the positions. He was juggling to go back.
Raider
Oh,
out.
well.
1 point.
How
Warriors KC.
can he commit that silly error? Harish was
Number
backtracking,
33,
but
33.
what was he thinking?
33.
Greedy Radhika? Maybe someone else might come in?
Please come.
Maybe he was little slow on retrieving back. Naveen. He didn't expect the defense would come back.
Correct. And huge credits of course.
Those ankle holds. He just teases him there. Nice move there. And yeah, Palni Tuskers, if they win, they qualify. And Warriors, Casey, if they win next two matches and yeah, maybe Jaipur Pink Cubs lose one, I think there are higher chances of Warriors, Casey, going top of the table.
Yeah, you wish
1
that
point.
for, isn't it? You
Palli
wish
Tuskers.
that someone
Jersey number
gives
30
the
up.
Pool B for the fourth team. So yeah, it's been
I
a
know.
different day altogether.
Absolutely. And Puneet Kumar need to get those points coming in because Warriors
Oh.
facing finally gets one, that too on the
Leadership.
right
I
corner.
guess, yeah, I guess two.
2 points.
I guess two
Warriors
for
KC.
his
Jersey number 17
brilliant
and 9
thinking.
out.
Radhika, yes, as you said very correctly, right corner, yes. But as he was going, he kicked Rajpal Jaipal. Watch this. He escaped the ankle hold with that same left leg, and he kicks Rajpal Jaipal with the same left leg. Watch here, boom, go away. Thank you. I'll go
Oh
back.
yeah. It's never possible, I guess.
Yeah, definitely not. And speak of his rustic power, I was talking to him about his favorite food. I'm sure you will know that, no, Radhika. The ragi mudde and nattu koli
Yeah,
charu.
okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nitin Jangra.
Raider out. 1 point.
What do they
Warriors
call
KC.
nattu koli in
Number 30, please come.
Telugu?
Number
Telugu.
30.
Exactly. Brilliant point. Now, why was he so far away? That's my question. Saktivel once again, has he got a bonus? I think so. He's got the
Raider out.
bonus. No
133
bonus.
points. Warriors
Well,
KC.
all out
All
inflicted. Warriors are
Tuskers.
back. Man, that is really nice. Trying to get into the
Did
zone.
he become a little more bulkier, Naveen? If you look at him personally,
No, he's the same.
no.
Yeah, no, he's the same.
Raider out. 1 point. Warriors
Rajpal
KC.
Jaipal also has been tackled out. Well, this is not going right. So, last 10 minutes, Raiders and the defense, everyone is coming together. There comes Puneet. Time is done. You've spent enough time there. Go back. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Half time. Change the court.
Yeah, as we heard that one. But AI. Oh, Lord.
The Tuskers, they're just 3 points away. They have to regroup somehow, Naveen, because this is one crucial match for Palni Tuskers here. Because yesterday itself they gained some confidence with a win after, maybe last 5 matches. They just had one win yesterday. So, so blind.
Yeah.
Raider out.
He looked
1
completely
point.
lost.
Warriors KC.
What was he doing? Just.
Do or die.
Interesting.
It's a do or die 1 versus 4.
Ah.
He's been tackled, good one. And that's a Saktivel
Raider out.
against.
1 point. Palni
Oh.
Tuskers.
He was just putting the right cover under confusion, whether he should come for a tackle or not. That's a clever one from the
Totally.
Raider.
Yeah, that's why we say any game played between 2 years is really, really good. As Puneet, we showed what he can do the last time. Abhi Kumar!
1 point. Warriors KC.
He
Jersey
doesn't
number 3 out.
accept the touch, but Puneet claims it. He's got it going in. Ranjit Madan Mogan, Radhika, I should probably bring this up to you as well because we haven't seen any Raider as short as him to do so very well. And I think now since he's just crossed over from that teenage, Nitin Jangra. Come on. Unnecessary work. Has he got a
1 point.
bonus? No,
Palni
no bonus
Tuskers.
there.
Jersey number
So
1 out.
as short as Ranjit from that left side, and he's got a lot of points. We'll get his number up on the screen as well. Coming in as a substitute, he's got a lot of points. And he's got that cut copy paste footwork. Look at that now. Oh, back kick. Okay, it doesn't show us the cut copy paste. He's very, very cool and agile, but not this time. Dashed out.
Raider out. 1 point. Warriors KC.
Brilliant follow through, Naveen, coming from Amandeep there.
It was really nice, that follow through dash. And only a disadvantage of no height is because you don't get the bonus points. And now no bonus here as well for Lalit Dalal as there's a 5 defense and a do or die raid. And 2 defenders on the right side. Watch out. Abhi Kumar. Oh, it is that strong ankle hold. Shaktivel Thagavel. Oh my God.
Raider out.
A
1
strong
point.
grip.
Palni Tuskers.
And what was Lalit Dalal trying to do? The control on the aggression is what they've been told.
Great.
Solo tackle. That's good. Bring your balance. I mean, in that speed, you need to have your controlled speed. I mean, that's a difficult task though. But especially with Vishu, it's even more difficult.
Yeah, true. Kesavan Raja tries to turn the pages around, but hang on. I saw a little
Red
trouser pull,
1 point.
but then there was
Warriors
that
KC.
block, which was also very nice. Yeah,
Three for them.
Do
Naveen. I'm
or
thinking about
die.
who will cover that right corner position for them. Because
Yeah.
going forward, it would be tougher matches.
true.
Do or die super tackle opportunity. Right time. If Palli Tuskers converts this into a super tackle, there are high chances that they might come back in the game, Naveen.
Oh no! Oh no!
Leader save.
Is my trip
2
super
points.
tackle?
Warriors KC.
Saktivel
Number
Tangavelu
7
was
and 4
trying to
out.
push away, and what a very good skill here. Turn the pages, escape. I think definitely India 1-star moment of the match. This is not what the Tuskers wanted. Big error, big blunder.
अंतिम 5 मिनट
My God. Radhika, one page he turned to the right, other page he turned to the left. One of pages.
Absolutely. And it's last 5 minutes in the game. The last player remaining, Abid Kumar. Now, bonus, sure they'll give. But then, I mean, he is himself a defender, Naveen. So what do we
Yeah.
do? He does not even get a bonus, does he?
He's
Bonus
got
Checking
one.
for the bonus though.
Palli Tuskers.
Yeah.
Leader out. 1
Luckily-
2 3
luckily
points.
a bonus is
Warriors
there.
KC. All
So
out
the
Palli
second
Tuskers.
all out for the Tuskers. It's targeted time and again, and that's a nice turn.
Leader save.
We'll get those
1
numbers
point.
on the
Palli
screen,
Tuskers. Jersey number 30 out.
and you will be really.
Right is always good. He uses the lobby. And still, how many? 7-point deficit, Naveen. Sushil Kamrekar. I mean, he didn't contribute much today.
Yeah. He's had a quiet birthday. As I said, his Super 10 still will be weighted. Ankle hold, right work from Shaktivel Tangavelu. That's good. Or has he hurt his right knee a little?
1 point. Palli
I
Tuskers.
tell you what, they'll need to understand one thing as science. If it remains like this, they get a point.
I think Palni should attack here.
Yeah. 1 point out of this match. And let the difference remain the same. Don't give away a point as he got a bonus. Ranjit, he looks at his teammates. I don't think so. Has he?
No, I don't think so, Naveen.
Kick as he got that. Oh, brilliant.
1 point.
Last
Palli
few
Tuskers.
seconds. And
One
Nitin
out.
Jangra was just dozing off. A little doze. That's it.
Red. Red.
Oh my god, that's a big blow there. Good one. It should be the last raid. It's not a do or die, so let's see. Warriors KC. This is 6 points. So they need one more point, Naveen, here to get all 6 points from this match.
I think if Palni can stay on with this one, don't give point to Puneet. Oh well. Oh well. So that's 33.
1 point. Warriors
How much is
KC.
it?
Jersey number 7 out.
27, 28, 29,
Seven.
30, 31, 32, 33.
7.
7. Perfect. They get 1 point out of this match. And Warriors KC win this. And again, keep a
Match
top
over.
slot. Amazing, amazing.
6 in the favor of Warriors KC. 14